Class 8. So let's continue the explanation of the chapter the tsunami. In my last video I am telling you about that the animals are aware of the prior to the gigantic waves entering to the coast of India and Sri Lanka. Okay, even it is well known that among people that animals are the intuitive towards the earth shaking. Some experts are of the opinion that they can hear or feel the earth's vibration in advance because they possesses enhanced acute hearing abilities. That is why they can provide an approaching disaster a lot earlier than humans. It is quite obvious that we cannot say surely that the animals are intuitive and can sense the disaster early on, but the evidence quite point towards it. Fact says that the gigantic waves of the Indian Ocean took thousands of the human lives, but not many animals were reported dead. At India's Cuddalore coast, where was the waves took the lives of around 1,000 people. Animals like the buffaloes, goats, and dogs were recovered unharmed. On the other hand, in Yala National Park in Sri Lanka, 60 visitors got taken away by the water, while no animals were harmed except 2 water buffaloes. A point to be noted here is that the Yala National Park serves as a home to the large number of the animals like the elephant, leopards, and around 130 species of the birds. In fact, people present at the Yala National Park reported seeing 3 elephants run away from the Patangala beach at least 1 hour before the waves came in. So what is this saying? The writer is saying here that the animals, जो जानवर हैं, उनको इस बात का एहसास इंसानों से पहले हो जाता है कि कुछ ख़तरा आने वाला है, और यू कैन से कि वो अर्थ की वाइब्रेशन को या फिर उसकी हिलने की जो भी फीलिंग होती है उसको इंसानों से पहले ही जज कर सकते हैं. And you can see that the one such man reported that his 2 dogs refused to go out for their usual run. जो आमतौर से वॉक के लिए डॉग्स जो हैं वो जाना पसंद करते हैं, और इतना पसंद करते हैं कि वो इसके लिए अपने मालिक को परेशान करते हैं, लेकिन उस दिन उन डॉग्स ने भी घर से बाहर जाने के लिए मना कर दिया. 2 dogs refused to go for their usual run along the beach, which they are usually very excited for. So this saved his life as well. इससे उसके मालिक की भी जान बच गई और उन एनिमल्स की भी जान बच गई. So here the explanation of the chapter is over.